Have you ever wondered what's the difference between all the different adhesives that are available on the market that come in all different shapes and sizes? So we'll stick to the cartridge based ones for this question. Now when it comes to bonding two similar or two dissimilar materials together or fixing one material to an existing substrate, then there's really three types of products that can be used. So deciding on the best one for your application can be important. The first is the generic grab or grip adhesive, which has been around for decades and took care of many tasks where light to medium bonding was required. However, although you can still get some of these in hardware shops, the harsh chemicals used in these type of products are fast becoming outlawed in every country with health and safety considerations, forcing a rethink of materials. The second is the multi-use product that are essentially designed to be a sealant and an adhesive all in one. These have become a very popular choice for various tradespersons and keen DIYers due to the fact that they can carry a single item that can stick and seal to many surfaces in different situations. If you're after a decent glue for light duties around the house, then a product such as 3C's multi-use is perfect. The only drawback with the all-in-ones is that, as an adhesive, they can do a good job for light and medium fixing applications, but fall short of a perfect final bond strength for everything a bit heavier, such as items over 2.5 kilos on verticals. Now the third type of adhesive is the power adhesive, such as 3C's Max Bond. These type of products are designed to be far better suited to heavier tasks and exhibit extreme powerful final bond strength when fully cured. As well as having superior staying power, these products often have excellent grab or grip properties as an added bonus, making them a solid choice when an application is such that manoeuvring heavy items into exact place is an issue. Although providing full support during the curing process is always strongly advised, as most power adhesives such as Max Bond are hybrid polymer based. They are slightly damp tolerant, which is handy if using externally in poor weather conditions. I'd certainly recommend checking out a video on YouTube that I've made showing Max Bond applied to over 50 different substrates, one of them being a single house brick holding my entire body weight to a brick wall.